In May of this year, Charlie of Big Charlie's Model Garage went to see Scott, Opa, of Opa's Diecast Restorations. Opa gave him all of his diecast cars. Sadly, we lost Opa in June. The last communications I had with Opa was back in December regarding the Silva challenge. He was looking forward to his surgery being behind him, and it was going to be a lot of fun seeing what he would create. Charlie is sharing the cars with us in the community, and he recently sent me a box with some of Opa's cars that he had in his collection, along with some of Opa's creations. Thank you so much, Charlie, for sharing these cars with me. I truly appreciate it. Now let's look at some of the customs here. I'll let Opa describe it.
This is what we started with. A Tootsie Toy wedge dragster. Kind of play worn, beat up. Axles bent, as I said. And as I always say, it's all in the details with these Tootsie Toys. And here's what we ended up with. Fuel altered, AAR, whatever, dragster. I added in the new motor. I put in a roll cage, new steering wheel, new front wheels, new back wheels. I put the wedge wing on the front and the wing on the back. Added in a little orange to highlight it, the green a little bit, and put the decals, including my Opa's Racing decal that I got from Chuck at Flying Valiant. Check out his channel. Here's what we started with. It's kind of a plain Jane gold, no metallic, 53 Chevy Custom with a clear plastic hood. Here's what we ended up with. Gold base coat, metallic, sprayed with the clear red candy. I also took a blade and lightly scraped the paint off of the chrome work on the car. Shine some light on it, try to get a little better look at the paint. Here's what we started with, gang. Rather plain Jane paint job, terrible decals. 1971 Hot Wheels Dodge Demon. No detail, but that was about to change. Here's what we ended up with. Plum crazy, all the details painted in. Here's what we started with. Dirty, scuffed up, definitely played with. Hot Wheels, Brit Speed. Here's what I ended up with. Burgundy metallic body, British green fenders and sideboards.
This last little custom I couldn't find a video for, but as you can see, it's truly incredible. And it shows you why Opa was truly the king of Tootsie Toys. Thank you so much, Charlie, and thank you so much, Opa.
But I thought I couldn't wait any longer. I'm going to get involved in YouTube. So come grow with me and let's learn some things and let's have some fun. Thank you.
This is Opa driving into the sunset and saying goodbye.